We uncovered emails showing a Clay County leader may have been trying to hide how the county spent $10,000 of taxpayer money. Lindsay Shively is following the money.
Watching taxpayer money is part of Clay County Auditor Sheila Ernst's job.
Just on a weekly basis, I review the expenditures.
But an email attached to this $10,000 county check caught her eye.
The office holder was trained to circumvent the Sunshine Law.
Clay County Collector Lydia McAvoy sent it to her staff in September from her personal email account. She asked for a $10,000 check to pay her attorney, well over the $1,000 billed, because she said, "I'm sure we'll burn through that much money pretty quickly."
You don't pay in advance with public money.
McAvoy then asked staff to only use her personal email when discussing the request because she said, "I want to keep these communications personal and protected from the Sunshine Law." To Ernson, that was a red flag.
We're dealing with the public's money, and the public has a right to know.
We asked McAvoy if she was trying to keep how the public money would be spent private.
Absolutely not.
McAvoy hired the attorney to challenge the proposed Clay County Constitution on the November ballot.
It was the November 5th timing of anything that might affect my office while I was sending out tax bills.
So why not use one of the several county attorneys on staff? Well, because the chief counsel helped write that proposed constitution.
If a court were to have to get involved and interpret the document, that would kind of be a conflict of interest for him.
That's the same reason county officials tell 41 Action News the county commissioners also went with outside attorneys. They spent $35,000 of taxpayer money suing to get the Constitution off the ballot. Voters rejected it. If it had passed, it would have changed many county offices.
That wasn't the reason I got legal counsel. It wasn't to protect the existence of my office as it is. It was to protect the taxpayers at that critical time.
McAvoy says she thought the email was protected by attorney-client privilege. She wanted to make open records requests easier by keeping it separate.
I still consider it public money. I still consider taxpayers to have a right to ask about it.
I think transparency is very important. It's public money.
All right, Lindsay Shively reporting there. So where did this $10,000 come from? The late fees you pay on taxes. That's what funds the tax maintenance fund the county collector's office uses. Now, Clay County officials say they don't plan to look into this any further.